What if I told you that making money online could be as simple as doing what you already do every day, without any major skills or time commitments? The truth is, there are ways to earn online that require minimal effort, making them perfect for beginners. In this video, I'll share the easiest, low-effort methods you can start today to build an income stream without overworking yourself. First, let's clear something up. Lazy doesn't mean no effort. It means working smarter, not harder. These methods rely on leveraging platforms, technology, and small actions to create income streams that don't demand full-time hours or advanced skills. The internet has completely leveled the playing field. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or something passive to build over time, there are more opportunities now than ever before. The key is finding what works for you and sticking with it. Before we dive into specific methods, it's important to understand the difference between passive income and active income. Active income is money you earn for the time you work, like freelance gigs or completing online surveys. It's straightforward but requires you to put in consistent effort. Passive income, on the other hand, involves an upfront investment of time or resources to set up, but it continues generating income without constant effort. Both types of income can be incredibly effective, especially when used together. Now, let's explore the laziest ways to make them work for you. If you've ever thought about creating something once and selling it repeatedly, digital products are your golden ticket. This could be simple things like planners, fitness trackers, or educational templates. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to list your products and start selling. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create something valuable. Tools like Canva let you design professional-looking products with drag-and-drop simplicity. The beauty of digital products is that after the initial setup, they require almost no maintenance. Sales happen on autopilot. The key to success here is identifying a niche. What do people need? What problems can you solve with a template, checklist, or guide? Answering those questions is where the magic happens. Cashback apps and websites are some of the easiest ways to earn a little extra money without changing your daily routine. Platforms like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta offer cashback on purchases you'd be making anyway. All you need to do is shop through their portals or apply their coupon codes, and they give you a percentage of your spending back. While this isn't going to make you rich, it's essentially free money for doing what you already do, and over time, those savings add up. Many users report earning hundreds of dollars annually just by consistently using these apps. If you're someone who shops online regularly, signing up for one or two cashback platforms could start paying off almost immediately. This is one of the most underutilized ways to earn extra cash. Everyone has items sitting around their home that aren't being used daily. Think of bikes, tools, camping gear, or even electronics. Instead of letting these things collect dust, you can rent them out using platforms like Fat Llama or Turo for vehicles. For instance, if you own a car that sits idle during the week, renting it out on Turo can earn you a significant side income. Similarly, renting out specialized tools or photography equipment can generate returns without requiring ongoing effort. This method requires minimal setup and can be an excellent way to turn clutter into cash. Before we get into the exciting details, let me introduce you to Moomoo Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Moomoo and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So, sign up now using the link in the description and get those free stocks. Now, let's get back to the video. Here's something important to remember. Every small action adds up. Whether you're earning a few dollars from cashback apps or renting out an item once a week, these small wins create momentum. Over time, they snowball into something bigger. The beauty of these methods is that they are flexible. You can start small, test what works best for you, and scale as you grow more confident. That's how you turn a lazy income stream into something consistent and reliable, all while keeping your effort minimal. Now, you might be thinking, these ideas sound simple, but will they really work for me? Here's the reality. All of these methods are scalable. What starts as a small side hustle can grow into a steady income stream with consistency. And coming up, I'll share a method that requires almost no effort yet pays off big over time. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make passive income once it's set up. Here's how it works. You promote products or services you believe in, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. You don't need a huge social media following to get started. Platforms like Amazon Associates allow you to promote products you already use and love. For example, if you're recommending a book or gadget to friends, why not share an affiliate link and earn from their purchases? Affiliate marketing is scalable. As you build trust and credibility with your audience, your earnings can grow exponentially, all from sharing products you'd recommend anyway. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and User Testing pay you to perform simple tasks like answering surveys, testing websites, or watching videos. While these won't replace a full-time job, they are perfect for filling idle moments. Think about the time you spend scrolling through social media or watching TV. Redirecting even 30 minutes a day to completing these tasks can add up over time. Many users earn $50 to $200 monthly, depending on how consistently they participate. The trick is to treat this as a casual activity rather than a full-blown hustle. It's money you're making during downtime. If you've ever looked around your house and thought, I should get rid of this, you're sitting on untapped income. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it easy to sell anything from clothes to electronics. The setup is simple. Take clear photos, write honest descriptions, and list your items. As long as you price competitively, most things sell quickly. This method not only brings in extra cash, but also clears space in your home. Here's the real secret. You don't have to stick to just one method. By combining 2 or 3 of these approaches, you can create multiple income streams that work together. For example, use cashback apps while selling unused items online, or combine digital product sales with affiliate marketing to maximize your earnings. Making money online doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Whether you choose to sell digital products, rent out unused items, or explore affiliate marketing, the key is to take that first step. These methods require minimal effort but offer real potential to grow your income over time. So, which of these methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video gave you value, hit that subscribe and like button for more tips on making money the smart way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.